Hello everyone and welcome back to Sinful Gourmet, and today we're preparing Sewai Kheer. So let's look at the ingredients. We've taken some milk, and this is half a liter milk which is already warmed and boiled. We have some Sewai, we have ghee and some sugar, and we have some dry fruits which include of pista, cashew nuts, almond and green cardamom. So let's start preparing the kheer. So now we have taken a kadhai. You can take any other vessel and we'll heat it. And we'll first roast the dry fruits in some ghee. Now we'll put in some ghee and we'll add the green cardamom which is crushed. We'll add the dry fruits and we'll roast them for around 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see it's been like 2 minutes now, and we've roasted the dry fruits properly. Ensure that the flame is low so that you don't burn these dry fruits. Now we'll add the sewai. The sewai is already roasted. You can use the unroasted also, but we've taken the roasted ones and we'll just roast them again in ghee for a minute or two. So it's been now 2 to 3 minutes and we've roasted the sewai also. Now it's time to add the sugar. So you can add sugar as per your taste. If you like too sweet, then you can add more sugar. If you like less sweet, then just adjust the consistency. Again for 2 minutes till the sugar is getting dissolved. And after that we'll add some milk. So let the sugar get dissolved, and once that is done, we'll start adding the milk. So you can see the sugar has started melting, and now we'll add the milk which has been boiled and warmed. Okay. We'll add some water only if you want to, it's optional. We'll let the kheer boil on a low flame for 10 minutes, and after that we'll check on the kheer. So it has been 10 minutes now and the kheer is ready, and let's serve this in a bowl. Okay. Sewai Kheer is now ready to be served, and you can garnish it with some dry fruits.
Hope you have liked this recipe, and I know you would definitely try this. Do let us know in the comments section. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified for the new recipes. See you soon with another delectable and yummy recipe, and until then, happy gourmet.